Hey everyone, what's up? I'm really excited to be making this video for you guys today. Today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly the layout I use to build my product pages for my dropshipping stores that are making more than like 100k a month. Hey guys, what's up? Just before you watch the video, I just want to let you know that I actually recorded this video probably like 2 months ago and I wasn't going to post it because of like editing and the video is very long, but there's just so much value that I really want to share with you guys. So just letting you know that this was pre-recorded a couple months ago and there won't be a lot of editing. It's just a valuable video of how I actually build my product pages, and it actually is. So I just wanted to post this to have it on the channel for anybody that actually needs it, because I feel like it will help a lot of you guys out. But yeah, just wanted to make this quick reminder and also remind you, like this video right now and subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, go watch the video. Building a product page is a lot simpler than you guys may think, and I'm gonna show you guys why. It's just a matter of like copying what's already working. And this is honestly something I say to all of my mentorship students, is that get what's already working. Like if you see a website that they have a pretty good layout, it's a product that it's selling, they're having good results, it's just a matter of like seeing what they're doing, copying it and making it better. Not really copying it, but the goal is to make it even better so you can outbid them. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I would build a product page for this product right here, which is like the nose strips for your nostrils to like kind of open so you can breathe better. I actually sent this product in the mentorship's Discord server. So if you got it, you got it. It's a product that has been trending and people are making a lot of money with it. So we're going to be building our product page around this product. So after I decided this is the product I'm going to sell, the second step was to actually find people selling this product. So my competitors. So I looked up everywhere for competitors for this product so I could actually incorporate what they were doing right and what was working for them in my website so I could have the same results. And when you're doing this competitor research, you really want to like kind of write down what you like so you can actually put in your website, and also write down what you don't like so you can actually make it better and improve. Now you should have a pretty good idea of what they're doing, what's working, and now is the time to get as much content as possible for this product, as many as possible. So as you guys can see right here, I went through a lot of websites and took the best pictures I could find of this product. And as you guys can see, I took models using the product, kind of edited images, GIFs, everything I could find so I could incorporate to my website. And once again, I didn't have to do anything at this point. Why? Because I got content from other people that I know it's working, so most likely it's also gonna work out for me. And we're just trying to send this product to test out ASAP. And as we get the sales and everything, we can actually make our own content, so we're just not like stealing from other websites, because that's also really important. But for now, we're trying to get this product to test out ASAP. So we're gonna use the best product pictures, the best copy, the best videos that we can find. Okay, Luis, but where can I find this good quality ripped content, right? Again, guys, when I was doing my competitor research, so I would just download the videos and the images that I like the best and I feel like could perform really well on my website. And how you find the competitors is actually really simple. You just search up the name of your product on PP Ads, on Mynea, on the Facebook Ads library, which the Facebook Ads library is completely free and you can get a lot of content from there. Now, you might get in trouble for copywriting issues, but at the end of the day, we're all doing drop shipping. We're all doing this thing where we're editing our own images. And unless it's a really big brand, I doubt they're gonna care or even copyright the images and the content they're using. And again, we're just trying to test the product, see if it's gonna work out for us, get our couple sales, and after that, we're obviously gonna get our own content, our own creatives, our own images from there. Since we're only trying to build a product page, I already like kind of edited the product information. So I added our name, I added like the pictures that I found, like I said, the information like the pricing and the variants that we're gonna use. So all of that is all done. Now, if you can find good quality content of your product out there, very simple to make kind of these edits. You just basically get a product image from AliExpress or Amazon, remove the background and just basically go on Canva and write this stuff down. Very simple, guys. It takes less than like 5 minutes. All right, so we're gonna go top to bottom. Obviously the first thing will be our like kind of the product information. So right here we're gonna go through kind of the settings we want to choose. We're not gonna hide the thumbnails, we're gonna show the thumbnails like 4 or 5. Let me see what works best. I think that like 4 is good, right? And then we're gonna not allow spacing, not gonna preview it. I don't like the dots, to be honest, like hide dots. with the arrows. And honestly, I think that's really the only kind of settings I use here. And then obviously for the title, it looks very, very big. Doesn't look good at all. So we're gonna make it smaller and then click save. I still don't like how it looks right here. So I would actually go to settings, go to like the typography right here and make the font a little bit smaller so it can actually fit very, very nicely. So there we go. And as you guys can see, I'm using like the Nasalia kind of name for the product, kind of explaining also what the product does. So nasal dilatation, very much wrong. I'm saying this very wrong. Sorry, my English sometimes it just doesn't work. And then strips by Test. Test being our store. As you guys can see, obviously the name is just for the purpose of this video. So we will put your actually brand's name so people know that you own this product, right? So they don't go search it up on Amazon or any other place. So, okay, this is very good. Now, obviously we're gonna have to, the product still don't have any review. So that's something we're gonna add later. But you know, we don't have to worry about that right now. As for the product and the price, I like to use kind of like the more darker color. If you guys want, you can change it, but I think that the darker will look better for the price. You can either hide the sale badge or actually, you know, leave it there. I like to actually add it and then put something like last chance or like the 44% off. It really depends on actually like what you want. We can put like 55% off. Let me see. We're gonna come here, change the badge. Instead of like last chance, we can put like 50% off. It doesn't really matter. It's very much up to you, okay? And then we're gonna click on save. And then this right here is actually an app that I use to actually give customers a coupon code if they want, right? So they can actually just apply the coupon if they want. It's called Clip Coupons. And as you guys can see right here, we have like the 10% off coupon that if people want to actually apply that coupon, they can. And it's going to work for all products. So if we come back, it's going to appear right here now that I have added this product to work. So people can actually click here and it's automatically going to apply an extra 10% off. That's why I actually like to put the last chance here because they don't think they're getting like a crazy discount just because it might look kind of like fake. So I like to put like last chance or like today only. That's what I like to use. So this is where we're gonna go for right now. Now you can leave like the product images right here, but sometimes that just doesn't look good. So you can just enable the color and actually put the color code in the alt text bar. So you're gonna come back to the product information page and then you're actually gonna put on the alt text, the actual color code of like your product's color. So like this, for example, it's gonna be white. So I'm gonna get the color code for white, which I'm not really sure what it is. It's a bunch of F's. So we're gonna come here, copy that, paste it right here, click on save. And then same thing for the black one, but obviously with the black color code. So we're gonna get here, paste it right here, save. And then once we come back here, we should see the colors being applied instead of the actual pictures. As you guys can see, if they can pick if it's like the white color or the black color, and it's gonna change. So very, very simple, very easy. I'm actually gonna change this color to kind of like a more cream just because it looks very like, let me put, yeah, kind of like grayish, not really green, but grayish. So it's not very white that people can barely see. So we're just gonna change that really quickly. There we go. Let's see if it actually looks better. All right, it's good enough, right? It's good enough just so it's not like white and like super white so that people can't even see it. And then scrolling down, we're gonna have the collapsible row, and how you add it, just click on add block and then, you know, choose collapsible. Like I said, guys, my English sometimes doesn't work. And then add it there, and we're gonna add product information that people might actually care about to know before buying our product, right? Now, this is why we do competitor research, because we want to know what they're doing and what questions people actually have, right? So as you guys can see, it's very common for people like to ask, how can you help me? How do I put it on? Product information, shipping information, and all of that. Now, you can copy their text like straight from the website, but if you want to make your own copy, then you can just go right here on Amazon. It's going to give you a pretty good description of the product, and you're going to tell ChatGPT to do it for you. So you're going to come here on ChatGPT and say, I am starting a e-com store and I sell a nozzle strip product. Wait, let me see. Strip product that helps people breathe better and open their nostrils. I think that's what it's called. Here's a description. And you're going to send that over, and ChatGPT is going to know exactly what you're selling. So now you can ask any questions about your product to ChatGPT, right? So we're going to let it type and kind of get the data they need. And then now you're going to put like, how does it benefit me? Now, this is a question that you can actually implement to your collapsible roll. So we're going to come here, put as the heading, and then whatever the response is, then you're going to copy and paste, right? And then same thing for like any kind of other question you have. How do I put it on? And then it's going to give you, so we're going to, basically copy the question again. Add it right here. Come back, kind of get their response and paste it. And this is really what I will put, nothing more. It doesn't have to be like something crazy. So this is a really good example of like how to use the collapsible roll, just so people know, like, just from this part of your product page, what your product does. So like kind of like the features, because like we have it right here, kind of, models using the product, how it looks on video, and then right here they're gonna know the offer, which our offer is $24. It's the last chance they can get, and they can also apply a 10% off coupon. And then right here they don't really need to go any further, just because they're gonna know how it benefits them, if it's easy to put it on, and if they can actually return it if they don't like it. And we're answering all these questions without making them have to go straight for the reviews, and that's exactly what you want. Now I'm actually gonna add this one more question, if it's reusable, because I feel like that's something that people are gonna care about. So let me just add another one right here. So you have to kind of like think as the customer, and if I was a customer, I would actually like kind of want to know. So let me just put this, no question mark. And there we go. Now, as you guys can see, I put this little text right here, see in action. And what we're going to do is actually put people using the product, videos of people using the product, so they can know how it works, right? Okay, cool. So I have added all the videos that I have. Let me just put a little bit of the bottom padding on this one. So I have all the videos that I have right here, and I'm gonna edit just one more thing. It's gonna be full page width, and I'm gonna enable autoplay. Now, after we have shown like people using it and how the product works, we're actually gonna tell people why they need it, why it's gonna be beneficial to them, right? Because we're not trying to sell the product, we're trying to sell the benefits of the product. And for this, we're gonna say why it's helping them during the day and night. And we're gonna need actually a heading first, so I'm just gonna move this up right here, and then we're gonna tell ChatGPT create a heading with a short description of 2 sentences max of why it helps during the day and night. Okay, there we go. Now we have a heading, so day and night relief. I'm not gonna do it this whole sentence just because it's gonna look very big, and I don't like when it looks like a crazy amount of text on the product page. So we're gonna do it right here, paste it, day and night relief. Awesome. Now you actually don't need to leave it like the blue background, but I do like it just so we can keep like kind of like the color scheme throughout our product page. You can change it if you want, like to do it more of like the lighter one, or if you just want the white background, up to you. But let me see. I think we can actually put this color right here. It's gonna look good. Okay, looks good. Now we're gonna basically duplicate this to actually add the little description, right? So we're gonna add text, delete this, and go back to ChatGPT and copy this, come back, paste it right here. And then for this one, I'm not gonna do it with the blue background, and I'm just gonna keep it like this. Let me see if not the full section makes it better. I think this is like too big for some reason. All right, so I kind of like shortened the text just so it fits better because it was like too big in my opinion. Let me actually put the top padding a little bit more, so we have kind of like that space. And then right here again, we're gonna just add now pictures of how it helps during the day and night. So I have a GIF here saying of like someone using it. So I'm gonna add that there, and now I'm gonna add an image banner so I can actually put the image of where it says that it helps during the daytime right here. And once again, this is content that I found, but you can easily make on Canva. It's just word, guys. Don't be scared. You can just type out daytime, little description. Canva will have this kind of like these images right here, and I'm gonna show you guys really quickly how it's so simple. So like for example, if you want like lungs, for example, because they're also like lungs right here, you're just gonna put this like kind of edit really quickly, add a text. So like let's say like this is in Portuguese, but you guys get what I mean, right? Daytime. You're gonna put here daytime. Right here, and then you're just gonna put a description here. I'm just showing you guys so you guys know it's not hard at all, and you can easily make this yourself. Right here. Let me just delete this, and you're gonna put like the heart and then the lungs and then again the description here. So very easy to make. I just have it pre-made so the video is not super long because you guys would get literally tired and there's no reason for me to be showing it. And then now I'm gonna add another one saying why it helps during the nighttime. So I'm just gonna add another GIF right here, change it. I have one more which is of this man. Again, copy again. And then I'm gonna get the one where it says that it helps in the nighttime. Awesome. Now we have both of them right here. So why it's beneficial to the customer to buy this product? Why? It's gonna maximize the recovery. It's gonna lower your heart rate. It's gonna reduce the snoring. That's what people actually care about. You're not selling the product. You're not selling the actual like nozzle strips made with plastic, the top plastic out there. No, you're selling the benefits of the product. So that's what we want in our product page. Awesome. Now, what every single product page needs is review and testimonial. So that's what we're gonna add right here. So we're gonna search up for like the kind of testimonial section. Right here, testimonials. We're gonna move that up to where we stopped, so right here, and we're gonna add testimonials. We're not gonna name the title testimonials just because that's boring. We're gonna say kind of like either like viral results. Oh my god, I can't type. Viral results, or like something like real people, real results. Really up to you guys. Actually, I'm not gonna use this. I'm actually gonna use the text because I want to do like the background. So let me get this text right here, duplicate it, move it to the bottom. Guys, this is literally me like building the product page. I test a bunch of things, and if I don't like it, I'm just gonna move it. Okay, cool. Real people, real results. We're gonna save that, and now we're gonna add the heading. I mean, not the heading, the testimonials, right? So we're gonna select image, and this specifically you can get pictures of like random people, but just make sure they're using the product. So like again, I have some pictures right here of like people using the product, so that's what I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna add the picture right here for all of them. And then this guy right here. Okay, awesome. So now again, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, please give me 3 testimonials for this product. I know I typed it wrong, but I'm not gonna change it. He's gonna understand it. Make sure they have the exact same amount of letters, like 2 sentences max. Make sure it's believable. I'm gonna type it all wrong, guys, but believable and not too formal. We're gonna copy this, add it here. Amazing product. This is gonna be the heading. Okay, awesome. Now we have a really good testimonial section that people can, you know, get more credibility about our product and that people are having good results. Again, just make sure you guys are being like kind of real with the testimonial so it doesn't look fake. Obviously, right now I'm giving you guys an example just so you know the structure that I use. And now we're actually gonna talk more about the kind of features of the product, right? Because we're only talking about benefits so far. So we're gonna talk more about the the features of the product. And for this, I also have another picture that I found, and we're gonna do it. I basically just add it here. And then we're gonna do the banner, adapt to first image. Once again, pictures that you can easily make on Canva. Very, very simple. Just paste the product picture there and then add some text around it. Super simple. I can literally make it with you guys in like a next video. Again, I'm just not gonna do it on this one because I just want to show you guys how I would like lay out the product page, like benefits, like the features, the testimonials, kind of like the layout that I use. But again, I don't even think I need to, just because it's very simple. So right here we have kind of like the feature aspect of the product, and I think I even have one more picture that I can add. Let me see. If I come here, yes, this one. Okay, now we just need a heading, so I'm just gonna move this up right here. And then now we can actually just use a description, right? We can actually, let's ask ChatGPT. In one sentence, say what the starter kit is made out of. Okay, perfect, this is good. And then the picture, I think I even have one more that I can add. Okay, awesome. This is good. This is good. So once again, we have the top image right here, kind of like, we hope that they don't really get past this point because we should make them, you know, buy the product from here. But now we're just adding some more stuff so people can see it working, how it's gonna benefit them throughout the day and the night. More people like giving credibility to our product based on reviews. And now we're talking more about the features of the product using images, right? But if you wanted to just add like an image of the product and then a text under it, that would also be fine. I just like to use like kind of edited pictures like from Canva that you can make from Canva, or you just got it from your competitors, just because it looks more professional, it looks better, right? We're gonna move on, and I'm gonna add a picture now that gives a little bit more credibility to our website, either of like a doctor for this kind of product saying that, you know, it works and everything, or of like yourself, like the owner of the store, like the brand, right? So it gives credibility that it's an actual brand that, you know, you actually care about. And then we're gonna put some kind of heading. Let's see what ChatGPT gives us. Okay, cool. And for this, I don't think I'm gonna add the background. Let me see if it's gonna look good. But if it's not gonna look good, I'm just not gonna add it. Okay, cool. And then lastly, I just had a picture right here of like the last product that I was selling that I love to use on my product pages that also gives credibility, which is this one right here that you guys can screenshot. I don't even think I have this picture outside of the store anymore, just because like it's very old, but it's just like an as seen on, right? I like to use that. And then I'm gonna click save, and our product page is basically done, guys. Now it's just a matter of like adding the reviews, and I'm gonna import some reviews just so you guys kind of have like an idea of what it would look like. So we're pretty much done with our product page, but I felt like something was missing, so I added this countdown at the top of the page using this essential countdown app, which is basically just gonna say back to regular price at midnight, and then there's gonna be a countdown that you can actually just edit, and you know, mine is for fixed minutes of like 2 hours, so it causes kind of like that urgency. And now we're gonna see how our product page actually looks. Okay guys, so I have the website open right here on my phone, and honestly I'm so proud of us. We made this really quickly, and you know, obviously for you, you're gonna take a lot more time just because we got a lot of content from my competitors, and obviously you're gonna be doing your own content if you can't find any good quality content out there. Again, this is for testing purposes, just so I can show you guys how I would lay out my product page for like showing the features, then the benefits, then testimonials. This is the purpose of this video that I'm making. Obviously you're gonna have to do your own content out there. I'm not obviously gonna launch this product using this product page. This is just to show you guys. So again, We have the good quality picture right here, really showing our product with our name on it. So we're branded, so people know that we are the ones selling it, with what it comes in the kit. And then the second image, a little features about our product, showing what it's made out of, why people should buy it. So like, because it's a good high quality item, models using the product, so it gives more credibility that we're investing in other people are using our product, right? What they should expect, right? So what's in our starter kit, see how it's very branded. It looks very branded because of the color pattern. It's all blue, so it matches really well. A video of somebody using it, why they should choose us. Again, you should have this like 3 things: good quality, the first image, and then the features, and then why they should choose you. So you're selling the benefits, and again, just more models using the product. So scrolling down again, I'm just gonna show you guys have seen it, but I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks really good, really pushing out the benefits and why people want it. And yeah, guys, this is our product page that we did in less than like an hour. All right, and that's it. I really hope you guys liked the video and got some value, and I'll see you guys in the next time.